So what happens if you're in a crash and you got a bunch of people in the car with you? It's not the driver of the car you were in's fault, someone else's fault, but what happens there? Well, each of you is going to have an individual claim against the at-fault driver. Now, where a problem may arise is that at-fault driver is only going to have a limited amount of insurance, and you're going to have to divide that amount of insurance amongst everybody in the car. So oftentimes when we see carfuls of people getting injured, we find ourselves in a situation where there's not enough insurance to cover those injuries. But nevertheless, each individual person has an individual claim and can bring an individual lawsuit against the at-fault driver.